So if you commented on the last video and you said Fly Racing as Cooper Webb's new gear partner for, well, I guess the next couple years since it's a multi-year contract, you are correct. He has signed with Fly, and as far as this I'm reading, it's a multi-year partnership, so 2, 3, 4, who knows. But apparently, if you watched the Pulp MX show, they said that. So if you watched that and then commented, yeah, you cheated. Uh, the Fly did put out an official release today saying, quote, Fly Racing is proud to announce a multi-year partnership with Cooper Webb. The five-time champion will lead the way for Fly Racing's 2025 lineup featuring the Formula S helmet. I'm pumped to be joining the Fly Racing family, said Webb. Together, we share many of the same values. The passion that Fly and WPS bring to motocross, supercross, and the entire powersports industry is something I've admired throughout my career. Right now, I was blown away by the fit, performance, and quality of the gear. Every day, I strive to be a better version of myself on and off the track, and it's satisfying to have a group of people behind me who are just as committed. Now, this is, big news. Obviously, he's been with Thor for a very long time, and to switch gear partners at this point. I think it's been like 10 years or something, right? Um, it's just one of those big things. Why now? Why not when he switched to KTM? Not when he switched back to Yamaha, you know, 10 years into that partnership? Why the switch from Thor to Fly? And I mean, it's not a bad thing, obviously. There's nothing horrible about this. It's just kind of one of those funny things. The senior director of marketing for WPS, which is Anthony Armsby, I think I'm saying that right, said, quote, Cooper Webb is known for his tenacity and desire to win at any cost. His championship mindset and non-compromise attitude align perfectly with Fly's racing future. Apparently, they're Idaho based. I didn't know that actually. So, there's a little, if you didn't either, there's your little tidbit of the day. Fly is an Idaho based company. He will be debuting the Fly Racing gear at the Paris Supercross this November, which I think is the 15th and 16th. If I'm wrong, correct me down below. And then he'll be doing the AUS-X Open in Melbourne. So we're gonna see him pretty quickly. I have no idea. Why would you stick with one brand for so long and then switch at this point in his career? Not saying he's at the end, not saying he's retiring, but he's definitely in the twilight years, 3, 4, 5 years, maybe is how long he's going to be racing. Who knows? I don't see him sticking around for a super long time. So maybe it's a big check. Maybe they gave him an offer he couldn't refuse in the, good old movie terms. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good move for him. Do you like Fly? Do you like Thor? Are you an Alpinestars guy? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.